So anytime you feel like you have any changes in hearing, I strongly recommend you get a hearing test. And that's because hearing loss can happen at any age, any occupation, anything like that. There's a thing called sudden hearing loss, and that can happen to anyone. And the quicker we find and treat that, the better the outcomes. However, in general, the people that I recommend to get a hearing test are people that are, past the age of 55. Regardless if they feel like they have hearing loss, I want them to get a baseline hearing test. And that's because it's really important. As we get older, we tend to lose our hearing, and it's good to have a baseline regardless. The other big population we definitely strongly recommend people to get hearing tests are people that work in noisy areas, so musicians, construction workers and things like that. And that's because noise can really affect hearing. I want them to get a baseline regardless if they feel like they have hearing loss as well. I want them to also test their hearing every 2 to 3 years to make sure it's not deteriorating. And that's the same for the older population as well. The third population I'd really recommend to get a hearing test, regardless if they feel like they have hearing loss, would be someone that would be genetically predisposed to hearing loss. So again, direct family that have hearing loss, brother, sister, mum, dad, any of that, definitely get a hearing test.